Welcome guys to a new video. Today I'm gonna be doing a tour to my 10-year in-game, of course, Stardew Valley world. I guess this is the first video that you hear my voice. So, yeah. I have been doing a lot of work in this world, and I think it's worth showing it. And yeah, I have a lot of things. So, please load. Okay. Well, here I have my. This is the main room, I guess. Get my coffee. Here's the kitchen. I guess I have 3 freezers. Not really necessary, but I guess it's nice showing that. Here I have all the products that I get from the animals. The, those two. Here I have the bars, I guess, and prismatic shards. Also, by the way, I have 100% perfection. I guess I mentioned that in the title. Tea leaves here. These are the things I don't really use anymore. I don't really use this one either. Neither this one, nor this one. I have food in here. Random food. Well, these are a lot of coffee beans. And a lot of ancient fruit. Uh, yeah. Well, here I have all my clothes. And, yeah, those are a lot. I basically just, combined a lot of, things, with this, machine. You put clothes in here. I mean, in here. And you put a random product in there. I guess you already know how to use that. In all these boxes I have fish and hooks. Here are the preserving jars. How you call them? Yeah. Well, here I have my statues. Demetrius is gonna give me a gift. Um, yeah. Usually here I produce coffee beans. Here is the ancient fruit. This is a work in progress. Huh. Didn't really haven't really worked that out. I produce also ancient fruit here, but not now. Well, I don't really use that room. It's pretty useless, don't you think? Here are all my kegs. Well, since I have the gold clock, I don't really use the kegs too much. As you can see, we call the horse. I am not raising any animals in that one. I guess yeah, I have some hay here. I think that 3 silos are necessary. Otherwise, it's gonna run out pretty quickly. But, those two are empty, and yeah, this one is partly empty. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and sell this one because who cares? I mean, I produce those every day. This is also a work in progress. And here are all my diamonds inside. Well, now, oh, I also have the fish ponds. Those are pretty useless if you ask me. I mean, I never really got to know the use of them. But I guess this is all from my uh, farm in here. But I have also the island farm. Well, it's pretty much the same thing. Here are all the ancient fruit. I mean, that's a lot of ancient fruit, but it's pretty worth it. And I'm not gonna disappoint you guys. Well, actually, I am, because this is all empty, and I believe that nobody actually decorates this house. Well, I can actually show you that I have 101 gems. These are my stats. As you can see, 100 perfection. And yeah, these are my total earnings, skills. Well, that is part of perfection. Now about this one, well, there's a bug that if you crack this from a geode, you're not gonna. It's not gonna count. So yeah, I actually have gotten this one, but it doesn't show it. All the minerals. Um, yeah, I have all the achievement. They're pretty hard to get, especially yeah, this one. This one is pretty hard. Uh, I don't know. If I have all the letters, but yeah, I don't know. I have all the notes though. So this is basically it for the video. Let me know what you guys think. I know my English is not perfect, but I'm trying to work on it. And yeah, that's it. See ya.